Hello everyone, in today's video we'll guide you through how to redeem Roblox codes. If you find this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. So, let's get started. If you're using a mobile device, open the Roblox app and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, tap on the three lines in the bottom right corner to open the menu. From there, tap on Balance and Robux icon at the top. Then scroll down and in the box, enter the code. Tap Redeem and you're all set. Your reward will be added to your account. If you're on a PC, open your web browser and go to roblox.com. Log into your account and click on the three dots in the upper right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Redeem Roblox codes. Now here, enter your promo code. Click Redeem and you're done. Your reward will be waiting for you in your account. And there you have it. Now you have successfully learned how to redeem Roblox codes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.